Hello friends, all of you 10th standard students from Quality Education Gallery, my greetings. In this video, I am going to tell you about 10th standard math subject. In 10th standard maths, here is two parts like 9th standard, maths 1 and maths 2. So, I will tell you which lessons are in maths 1 and which lessons are in maths 2. In this video, I will tell you how will your paper pattern of math subject in this year. Now, look at the screen. I will discuss with you these topics. Maths part 1 syllabus, Maths part 2 syllabus, lesson weightages and paper pattern. Now this time you don't have 10th standard maths textbook, so you can use ebook PDF. You can easily download on Google. I have already downloaded these two books. Now this is your maths part 1 book and this is the index page. In this index page, chapter's name and page numbers are given. First lesson, linear equation in two variables. Second lesson, quadratic equations. Third lesson, arithmetic progressions. Fourth lesson, financial planning. Fifth lesson, probability. Sixth lesson, statistics. In this index page, chapter's name and page numbers are given. First lesson, similarity. Second lesson, Pythagoras theorem. Third lesson, circle. Fourth lesson, geometric constructions. Fifth lesson, coordinate geometry. Sixth lesson, trigonometry. Seventh lesson, mensuration. Topic wise weightage of marks. Now mathematics part 1. First lesson linear equation in two variable, marks with option 12. Second lesson, quadratic equations, marks with option 12. Arithmetic progressions, marks with option 8. Financial planning, marks with option 8. Probability, mark with option 8. Statistic, marks with option 12. All lessons are very easy and you can also score more marks. In maths part 1, 3 lessons are very important: linear equation in two variables, quadratic equation and statistics. Now we will see topic wise of weightage of mathematics part 2. First lesson, similarity, marks with option 10. Second lesson, Pythagoras theorem, mark with option 7. Third lesson, circle, marks with option 12. Fourth lesson, geometric construction, mark with option 7. Fifth lesson, coordinate geometry, mark with option 7. Sixth lesson, trigonometry, mark with option 7. Seventh lesson, mensuration, marks with option 10. In maths part 2, here is 3 very important lessons: similarity, circle and mensurations. Thank you. Now Now we will see the paper pattern of 10th standard maths. Your question number 1. A. Solve multiple choice question. 1 mark each. Will be 4 marks. Question number 1b. Solve 4 out of 4. 1 mark each. Will be 4 marks. Question number 2a. Complete 2 activities out of 3. 2 marks each. Will be 4 marks. Question number 2b. Solve any 4 out of 5 sub questions. 2 marks each. Will be 8 marks. Question number 3a. Complete 1 activity out of 2. 3 marks each. Will be 3 marks. Question number 3b. Question number 3b. Solve any 2 out of 4 sub questions. 3 marks each. Will be 6 marks. Question number 4. Solve any 2 out of 3 sub questions. 4 marks each. Will be 8 marks. Question number 5. Solve any 1 out of 2 sub questions. 3 marks each. Will be 3 marks. This is your paper pattern.